Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect Android Auto in 2022 Volkswagen Taos. Hello again. So I got myself 2022 Volkswagen Taos and I was trying to connect my phone with Android Auto on this car and it did not work. So I was wondering what's going on. So first thing first, let me show you the interface. So right here you have a connection. You have two ports to connect and you got a special cable, like a connector cable from Volkswagen. This is where you plug in this to the car. This is USB-C connector. This is just extender for regular USB. So you need to connect your cable right here. And my problem was that the cable I was using originally, a couple of minutes ago, was not high-speed cable. So it was a little bit thinner. It was only good to charge my phone, but not to actually transmit the data. So if you want to start the whole process, you need to start ignition, push the button, pull the brake on. Then once you take the cable, and we're going to connect with the phone. Right now I have a message: welcome, please connect the device using the USB. Once I connect this, now you can see that my device is shown Samsung, and I'm gonna click Android Auto. We've connected all ideas, so I'm gonna click connect, and now it's connecting with my phone. On my phone now I need to click unlock. And what happened? Could not connect. Okay. And so I need to click allow on my phone. Connect Android Auto. Click connect again. Okay, and now you have additional commands on your phone. So I need to click next. I'm gonna need to click OK for GPS to be on. And now I have everything from my phone, including my GPS on the other apps that are allowed, all on the screen on my 2022 Volkswagen Taos. Now my phone is connected with this system in Volkswagen Taos. Now when you click menu, you can switch from the map view to this main menu, where you can see you have radio, telephone, vehicle, settings. Android Auto will bring you straight to the maps. If you click that white button on the left, this will bring you back to all the apps that you have currently on your phone. You can customize this in Android Auto app on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll give you more videos in the next couple of weeks about awesome features of this Taos. I just got it yesterday and it basically drives by itself. But I need to go and make a couple of other videos and I'm gonna share it with you. It's a really, really great car. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.